Okay guys, I have here the LG 4. We want here to do a camera replacement. I ordered it from AliExpress. Here, this camera. And this is my LG G4. So we need, so yeah, so I'll show you what is happening here with my camera. Yeah, here the camera, front camera works, but the back camera not working. Live, so then the program ended. So we go again, we can change to the front camera and it will work good. So we will turn off the phone, turn it off. Okay, so I will take the cover with one hand. My little son in the back. Okay, I will stop the video, so I'll take the cover and the battery. So I took off back cover, battery, micro SD card and SIM card. There is here L 11 screws, and we will take them all out. So as you see, I took off all the 11 screws. Now this we don't need. We need to open it with this tool. We will begin from this side and this side here, the corner here, and so. Okay, so we have, I did open it already. So the camera is here. I need the other hand. Okay, I'm working with one hand. Take it gentle. So may you have a glue until under it. So you need to be careful. You take it so up, and this is the old camera. Okay, so put it there. We open this one. Okay, so our new camera there. Okay, so we just let it go easily down, and it will fit easily. We make a moment. Yeah, we make sure that's here, that she's stitch in the right city. Okay, the cover back for testing battery back. And we are waiting. Okay, so we're testing the camera. The camera start not working. That means there's some problem in it. So see, go to apps. We go to camera. Here, camera, and we clear the teil-1.